What is going on, my party people? I decided to go no intro, no outro for a while to get things situated because it's just best to do that for right now. If anybody in YouTube know the current climate, it is what it is. So we just get right into the reviews, the videos, all that stuff. I know people been checking out, ready for Who Has the Heat. Just next month is around the corner. We'll be getting the stuff out this week, letting you know who all involved, all that good stuff. So stay on the lookout for that. Most importantly, I hope all of y'all are being safe. A lot of people say they appreciate me doing stuff outside of the box. So this is another one outside of the box. Because like I said, a lot of people doing YouTube. If you're not getting the Jordans first, I don't really care about that. You're not going to rank that high on YouTube. So it depends on what you want to do. So I've seen these shoes a couple times. The Bro McFly had them, different things. People had the shoe. I think me and my kicks had them as well. And this shoe had a lot of imperfection. Shout out to Chance Allen Warner for squaring me well on these shoes. So I got a pretty decent pair. We just actually got them. Y'all know how it is. Team late over here. Question low. Size 10.5 PP. Fisher colorway. White. Flu Blue or Fubu or UU, whatever it is, FX 5000. She just a retail price, I think, of $120. But these joints are the UNC Low Iversons, right? You got your little thing right there. You got your white paper right there. And look at it here, like so. As you can see, it was rainy this morning, but it done dried up, and it is hot as I don't know what out here. And bam, look at that shoe. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Kind of weird that they have a UNC shoe and these guys are making all this noise. But hey, it is what it is. People got to work, like myself. I'm still working too. But as you can see underneath, you got the hexalite, very, very soft. You got the translucent bottom. You got the honeycomb look here. I love it. I like it a lot. See on the tongue right here. It just never fails. Every time I do this, somebody's always working or doing something in the hood. But hey, it is what it is. As you can see, it has some wavy little stuff, but this is not too bad. Got a little bit here. Probably the worst part of the shoe, you got the glue stains coming right here. But as you can see, over here, you got the nice Reebok stuff. You got that tumble rumble. You got your netting right here. And you got your nice leather on the tongue. Sometimes on the Reebok you have the tip change, but this one is regular white right here. You got your traditional Reebok sign right here. But like I said, you got that old tumble rumble like so. Then you got the question in the back. So we shall see. You got the 3 on the back of this as well. You also got your tumble rumble right here. And you got your Reebok hexalite right there. All very dope, very nice. You got Reebok inside. You see you got the cushion insole. And then you got your QR code here. Size 10.5 PP personal pair. And you got your inside on the shoe. So it's pretty much a UNC shoe, which is weird because like I said, being a Georgetown fan, salty. They did beat, I think that was when Jordan was there, they did beat Georgetown in the championship, but it is what it is. Some people don't like lows, prefer the mid, but I think these are very dope. And I probably will be investing in the Syracuse joints as well, because it's a very, very dope summer shoe. So this one is not too bad, like I said, as far as the wavy, the Humpty Hump stuff they had over here in the patent leather. I think it's very, very dope. You're just gonna have to wear white socks in here if you don't want those sock bunnies, because if you wear black socks, guaranteed it is a wrap the first time you wear it. So on a little meter on these shoes, I'm gonna give it, I might be a little bit biased, I'm gonna give it a 4.9 out of 5. All right, 4.9 out of 5. Dope summer shoe, easy spring or whatever. Oh, well, the weather's always good around here anyway, so easy to rock this shoe, most definitely. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this shoe. As we on the road to 10K, I'm gonna keep these videos short, sweet, simple, straight to the point. Like I said, $120 military discount, about 102, 105. Maybe could have got them for a little bit lower. It just depends on where you at. But let me know what you think. Smash the like button, thumbs up, peace, love, and chicken grease. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Deuces.